So let's see what transpired today at the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja at the resumed sitting in the case of Federal Republic of Nigeria versus Nnamdi Kanu. Recall that the judge adjourned the matter to today, Friday, 7th November 2025, and he said that that's the last chance that will be given for Nnamdi Kanu to open his defense, right? To open his defense or be foreclosed. So today, Nnamdi Kanu returned to the court, right? He was called upon to enter the witness box and speak in his defense. There and then, he held the mic. He said that he maintains his position, that he is not going to shift ground. He's not going to shift from his earlier position about not giving any defense whatsoever. Because according to him, he said that there is no charge against him, and that the laws of Nigeria, the Constitution in particular, has said that he cannot be charged, right? So that's what happened in court. And because of that, the judge then adjourned the matter to the 20th day of November 2025 for what? For judgment. So today is the 7th of November 2025, and according to the judge, on the 20th there will be judgment. So that means in 13 days from now, judgment is going to be delivered in the case between the federal government of Nigeria and Nnamdi Kanu. But let's watch this video and see what transpired in court. Part of what transpired in court was the fact that Nnamdi Kanu got very angry in the courtroom. So we just watch the video together to see what transpired.
I don't know what justice means. I don't know what justice means. Useless black African people. No, no, justice. Your constitution says you cannot find anybody unless the law is written. Show me written law. Show me written law. I want to know. Show me written law. Don't try it. Don't try rubbish. Useless people. You don't know law. You don't know law. Your own position you don't respect. Supreme Court judgment you don't respect. That's why we don't make law. Why we don't put up law? I ask. Nonsense. You think people can ask you to tell me and you tell me you are dreaming. You are dreaming. I'm telling you, you are dreaming.
So let's watch another one. Okay, let's just see another of the clip. Okay, the same clip, but let's watch it again.
I don't know what justice means. I don't know what justice means. Useless black African people. No, justice. Your constitution says you cannot find anybody unless the law is written. Show me written law. Show me written law. I want to know. Show me written law. Don't try it. Useless people. You don't know law. You don't know law. Your own position you don't respect. Supreme Court judgment you don't respect. That's why we don't make law. Why we don't put up law? I ask. Nonsense. You think people can ask you to tell me and you tell me you are dreaming. You are dreaming. I'm telling you, you are dreaming.
So you heard him there. He said that if anybody, I think he mentioned a particular person's name, if the person has asked the judge to jail him, that the judge is dreaming, right? That the judge is dreaming. One other thing that Nnamdi Kanu said was the fact that, see, the Constitution of Nigeria says that you cannot try anybody unless the offense is contained in a written law. And he kept asking, show me that law. Show me that written law. He also said that you don't know law. Okay? Now, what's your take about what transpired? What's your take? What's your take? Have you ever seen a person standing trial busting out that way? You've seen it today. So what's your take? Having watched this video, what's your take? Do you think it is the best reaction by Nnamdi Kanu? Do you think it is the best? Do you think it is not the best reaction by Nnamdi Kanu? What's your take? Drop your comment in the comment section so that we can also learn from each other about your take about the whole trial and about what happened in court today. Remember that after today's sitting, the next sitting is going to be for judgment according to the judge. Many thanks always for watching.
So there has been many reactions following the court system of Nigeria, and this is why Trump called Nigeria a disgraced country. Now, the person in the video as a law student or barrister, a practitioner right now, or just the way he chooses to appear to analyze videos on YouTube, was asking what your take is. I mean, what would you expect of anyone to say of his or her take when you know that this is a man who has not been with his family for 10 years now, not with his wife, not with his children? So a judge will not give justice or rule him to go to jail based on this action, because I know that the judge, if in the shoes of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, would react worse than Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. If you ask me my take, I would tell you that this man is a patient man. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a patient man. This is a man who has been on trial over what he did not do. Injustice in Nigeria. I don't understand the justice system of Nigeria. It is not working. This is why many countries look at Nigeria as a joke. He persistently asked the judge to tell him where it is written in the Nigerian law, because you cannot defend what you are not sure about. On sure thing, you can't just create something from nowhere, just from the blues, and ask someone to defend. He has been asking repeatedly, let me know where what you want me to defend is in the law of Nigerian judiciary system, so I will know where to go from. Since Nigeria doesn't know the interpretation of their own constitution or laws, mad people are everywhere, according to someone who commented as well. The judge should simply show him where it is written in the constitution, just simple, so that the man will now go on and they defend. By the way, many court systems in Nigeria have asked them to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but the problem is DSS detention. And I ask again, does that mean that DSS has a power hand over the justice system, or the courts and the judges in Nigeria? Otherwise, why would there be establishment of law courts in Nigeria if in the end of the day, when they say something, DSS will not obey it? And this man, Omotosho, as the judge, you have to respect constitution of Nigeria and know that you are dealing with your fellow human being, not because you are judge there. I don't know what bribe you have taken. And the annoying thing is, people will look at the truth and they turn it upside down. It is clear. Come up with what is written as the law so that someone will know what he's defending. Any person would go insane if you are in the shoes of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for over 10 years. You've been dragged for what you did not commit, no offense whatsoever. Every charge given to this man was wrong and false. Yet, the Nigeria is not letting this man go. I mean, the judgment of Nigeria. Some people have reacted and said this is shameless country. Nigeria is a shameless country. It's a lawlessness place. This is why Nnamdi Kanu, the IPOB leader, have wanted the Biafra. Biafra exit is better than the Yorubas go their way, Hausas go their way, Igbos go their way. because it's not working where there is no agreement. How could you marginalize a certain set of people? For instance, the Igbos can never become a president of Nigeria. And you are saying that we are one Nigeria, we are together. This is too bad. And for the man in video asking, what's your take? Many people want to know your take as well, because it appears like you are one of the lawyers in the chamber. I don't know. But what's your own take as well? You have to show Nnamdi Kanu where it is written in the law. This is only what he's asking of this Judge Omotosho. And he's not saying anything. 20th of November 2025 is going to determine the state of Nigeria, honestly, because I don't think that people will take this lightly. So Nigeria should be careful with what they are doing. You cannot just jail a man who hasn't committed any crime. A man you caught, you just went to Kenya, and this is practical rendition. You just brought him back home without the proper process that should be followed. You have violated his right as a human being. You have undermined the Constitution and the law. You have done what should be considered a treason, felony as well. And someone responded to what the Mr. Lawyer or the presenter in the form he's coming, asking what's your take on the comment section. He said, Oga, his reaction has nothing to do with the law. And I agreed with him. The longer someone is illegally kept in detention, the more frustrated he becomes. You can never bear what this man is bearing. Leave him alone. It is his own form of protest. So many people have reacted, many people have been leaving many comments and many useful comments in the comment section below. So if you ask me my own comment, I will go by Nnamdi Kanu should be freed with immediate effect.